We never should have succeeded what we started with. We had nothing. We wore my dad's old hunting clothes to school. So I have always wanted to reverse that trend of our family and create what I call family wealth, education, opportunity. My grandfather came over from Poland alone or with an uncle. My dad lived with his parents and that, and then when Prohibition was voted out, he opened up a building as a bar and ran that until the year I graduated from high school in 1953. And we started the farm. The next 10 years, the only thing we had really was sweat equity. The next 10 years, we struggled. We didn't know what we were doing. I don't think he knew what he was doing. I convinced my father that we should go in the vegetable business and go into irrigation and those kinds of things. In 1955, I branched out and went to Chicago and started hauling potatoes to Certified Grocers because they made a commitment to me. About 3 months into that, they decided to make a bakery out of it. And all of a sudden, I was with a truck in business. In 1964, we pivoted and started buying land, irrigating it. And immediately when you could put water on, you doubled yields automatically. That was a huge change in income. We proceeded to buy land that needed to be developed, and we could do that along with our farming operation and buy it at low cost, improving it. Land values kept going up. That was a good part of our success, developing land and doing that, as well as growing the businesses and what we did. I was about 50 miles south of here when the fire took place. That was on a Saturday afternoon at 3 o'clock. And Francis and I were storing potatoes. I told him, that smoke you see in the air, that's Paragon, and it's burning. We're going to need help. We had 90-some people, former employees and neighbors, help us. Never missed an order. So kudos to them, kudos to our help, kudos to our reputation as being good to our help. We were able to transition out of a building that was put together piecemeal, hodgepodge, and move down to the Bandcraft area into the co-op building that was there. Out of the ashes, a Pompeii Rome was built. I retired at age 62. I'm a firm believer that there's a saying that the first generation starts something, second one improves it, and the third one loses it. I say that's not true. It's the second generation that doesn't step aside so the third generation can take it to the next level. Our organization was built on honesty, hard work, and trust. Trust allows them to do what they can do, handle other people's crops and market it and do that. So they are living the dream. They are taking it to the next level. I thank God for giving me the opportunity to see the fruits of it.